tough to play some games and keep my interest like in chess. So that is the main issue. But okay, it is what it is. I will try to really improve at chess and become the next Dhoni at chess, as said by you. You are really good with tactics this stream, I guess so. Thanks for. I mean, the first stream which I'm actually playing good. That is a terrible AF blunder. What the F? Why are my opponents playing so bad this stream, bro? What? No way. This is attack too. I guess the music is a bit loud now. Yeah. He goes there, but now I just get to take there too. And now if he tries to go there, I mean, what I... Okay, goes there, but can I not just take or take? Okay, let's take with this. I'm threatening to take on the c7. Okay. Okay, let's take. I could have taken with the pawn. Wait, I could have actually taken with the knight. Goes there. Wow, I can trade off. Oh, wow. Wow. What is my opponent doing, bro? Shaming Netherlands 1655 rated? No way. Chess.com be giving anyone those ratings, right? Okay, let's go here. Porky, yeah. Like, what are... Yeah, of course, these are not even... yeah, these are not hyperbullet. And these blunders doesn't even make sense if you are playing hyperbullet. Like, these are so bad of a blunders. Even me as a chess player, I don't think so I have done this bad a blunder. And you guys know how good of a chess player I am, right? So, yeah, my opponent should just quit chess. Let's go here. Oh, wait, I blundered. Yeah, talking about blunders, I blundered. Let's go. Oh my. Oh my god. If I castle, I lose this. Wow. Imagine you trash talk like if... Lamau. That would be... Of course you guessed it. Of course you guessed it, chess lover. I no way. I mean, okay. I'm still winning, so let me not make myself down and actually play. I know you too well, of course. Bishop f6 can... no, he has knight there. And he did not even take it. How... What? Like, is bro really 1655 rated? No way. No way. No way. Let's come back. By the way, to tell you, bishop f6 could not be working. Okay, let me... Could not be working because of knight c7 and then win the rook. Goes there. Okay, come on. I have to be fast. I'm down on the clock. With all these trash talks, I don't want to lose on the clock. Let's go here. Everything is actually protected. I don't have to worry that much, okay? If it goes there, I mean, I should just develop right now. And then what do I do? Goes there, right? Do I have no? No. Let's come back. Yeah, I'm surely liking my positions. Let's push again. And then... Go here. I would really like to trade in this position. Okay, goes there. Let's push. My idea is to go with bishop rating inflation. Yeah, chess.com be letting anyone gain rating, of course. Even me as a chess player, I mean, you guys know how good of a chess player I am, right? I don't I even don't make this kind of blunders. Okay, now I just go there, threaten this, and the knight has to move somewhere, and then I mean, is this checkmate? No. Oh wait, I have a good plan. If he goes there, I mean that is good. Okay, and then I push. Everything is protected. He has to go there, and then I go there. Is this checkmate? Whoa, that's so cool of a checkmate.
What's this knob do?